Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen. My name is Amanda and I love sharing with people simple and delicious recipes that you can cook here in South Korea. If you're new to this channel, hi there, 안녕하세요, welcome to everybody. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favourite pancake recipes, and that is a Dutch baby pancake. It has origins in Germany and there is nothing baby or small about this pancake. It is a really big pancake. It's very similar to a Yorkshire pudding. This pancake is fluffy and soft, and when it comes out of the oven, I promise you, your guests and family, when they see it, will go, wow, it is a spectacular pancake. What's great about this recipe, it only takes 5 minutes to make the batter and it only takes 20 minutes to cook it in the oven. It really is a quick recipe that is absolutely delicious and delivers on the taste. Please take this recipe and make it your own. You could make savory, salmon, cream cheese and spinach, or bacon and eggs for a breakfast, or as I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you my favorite sweet combination of flavors that go really well with this pancake. Just make it your own and put on the pancake what ingredients you have available. So let me show you today how we make a Dutch baby pancake in South Korea.
This is a quick and simple recipe, and we start off by making a batter with some flour, salt and sugar. Now the sugar is optional, but we're making a sweet Dutch pancake today, so we're going to use just a teaspoon of sugar. If you were making a savory Dutch pancake, then I wouldn't add any sugar. Once you have added your dry ingredients to the bowl, you could mix them, but I don't. I just throw everything into the bowl and then mix. While I'm preparing my batter, I've turned my oven on to preheat to 200°C. It is important that whatever oven-proof dish you are using is also in the oven heating up, as just like when making Yorkshire puddings, you need your pan to be very hot. As soon as the oven has reached temperature, I take my pan out of the oven and place it onto a stovetop and put my butter inside to melt. Once it is melted, I add my batter, and it should be bubbling around the edges. This goes straight back into your oven for 20 minutes. While your Dutch baby is in the oven, you have time to clear up and prepare whatever ingredients you want to serve with your pancake. A Dutch baby is best eaten when it's hot, so you want everything ready for when it comes out of the oven. I did promise I would show you another recipe using a homemade caramel that we made in a previous recipe. I place it in some hot water so this will be easier to drizzle later on. Quick tip when cooking your Dutch baby pancake, just like the Yorkshire pudding, resist the temptation to check on and open the oven, otherwise it will deflate your masterpiece. Your Dutch baby pancake looks best when it first comes out of the oven, so this is the best time to both serve and eat it while it's still warm. As it cools down, it will deflate a little. For a traditional Dutch baby pancake, just serve with some lemon juice and powdered sugar. In fact, in another video I show you a traditional English pancake that we also serve with lemon and sugar. But today I'm going to be showing you my version of a sweet pancake. The raspberries will both complement and counterbalance the sweetness of the homemade caramel we will drizzle over the top. Whether you choose to make your own version of the sweet Dutch baby pancake or savoury, I know you will both enjoy making and eating this recipe with family and friends. Because this Dutch baby is so big, you will easily be able to get several portions out of it for everyone to enjoy for a brunch, afternoon treat or even a dessert. So thanks for watching today. For everyone watching in Korea, Lunar New Year celebrations coming soon, and this would be a perfect treat to serve the family. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, have a great week. God bless. Chopokhamnada.